Have you ever wondered what skills truly shape a successful life? First up, communication, the bridge to understanding and collaboration. Imagine solving problems not as hurdles, but as stepping stones to growth. Time management, the art of balancing life's many demands with grace. Financial literacy, empowering you to make informed decisions about money. Each skill builds on the last, creating a foundation for lifelong success. But why are these skills often overlooked in traditional education? The journey to mastering these skills begins with a single step: awareness. Communication opens doors to new opportunities and deeper connections. By solving problems, we turn challenges into victories, learning with each success. Effective time management allows us to live more and stress less. Financial literacy is not just about saving, but thriving in a world of opportunities. Together, these skills weave the fabric of a resilient and fulfilling life. The path to self-improvement is ongoing, but every step forward counts. Embrace these skills and watch as doors open to a world of possibilities.